So today we're going to do kind of a fun little trick. I want to see what a 22 will do at 200 yards. How much will a match 22 ammunition, and I'm shooting Ely match ammo. I want to see how this stuff does at 200 yards. What does it do? I know I can hit a target with it, but will it do anything to that target once it gets there? I have a contraption that I kind of built down there. I don't have access to ballistic gelatin, but so I made a box, put a piece of leather, piece of plastic, and then a cardboard box filled with wet newspaper. I'm going to see how much wet newspaper this thing will penetrate after going through the leather and the plastic. So I don't know what it'll prove, but I'm also going to do the same thing with a 6.5 Creedmoor in a couple of minutes here. So we'll start off with the 22. I'll do a separate video on the 6.5 Creedmoor. So let's get to it. I'm going to put 5 rounds down there, and I need to dial 6.1 mils of elevation here. So let's give this a try. Helps if you put the magazine in. Pretty good trigger press though. I'm intentionally aiming off of the target a little bit here so I don't stack my rounds. Okay. Let's go see what we did. All right, so here's what I have set up. It's not a big thick piece of plastic, but just something to, I don't know. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Let's go digging in to see what we can find here. So here's all my wet newspaper. Goodness, hang on, I gotta use 2 hands for this. All right, so I found one of the bullets right here. This is a lot deeper than I thought it would go. How far is this? That is, good Lord. That is about 15 inches. 15 inches of penetration on heavy wet newspaper. No bullet deformation, none. 2 of these are still going. Oh, one more stopped. Where did it go? Hang on. Oh, there's another one. Again, no bullet deformation. Still going. There we go. There's the other one. That one's looks like it started to tumble. But that's deep. Holy cow. That's probably 18 inches. Yikes. That's impressive. That's at 200 yards. That is a very, very subsonic load at that point. But yeah, so okay, that's some surprising results. I was not anticipating that. I thought for sure that that bullet would have stopped in the first, 6, 8 inches. So, wonder what this is going to do to my 6.5 Creedmoor. I don't think I have enough paper here. Let's see what happens.